that's pulling me back no more. Just trying to feel free, but the feeling's too deep. Can't really shake it myself. Now what you wanna do? I wanna be ballers, shot callers, ballers. Been in the bands with the spoilers. I said 3 course meal, take the night you vented, but still everything's been.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is live with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to this makeup look, y'all. I just did the dang on thing when it came to this look, baby. But y'all see, y'all not getting into the details. Y'all see this? And it's using my upcoming palette. It is going to be on this way, y'all. Just keep watching the video to know more deets and just information about the palette. But y'all, this look, the blend, do y'all see the eyeshadow blend? It's always the first palette that just keeps you going to strive for better things, okay? This second palette, all the colors are so blendable and so soft and buttery. Not too soft, but they're soft. Versus from the other one, it was like a matte feel, but it had shimmers in the palette. However, the shadows was like a drying type of shadow. This one is all matte, buttery shadows to the touch. I can't wait till y'all feel them, like everything. I am here in person, well, pre-recorded, showing you all how this palette works, how I blend this palette to the T, baby. Okay, it gets no better than this. And then I put my own creative twist to it. And I also took inspo from doing these, call this hot glue gun, creative little things from Beats by Deb, y'all. I had to do it because I was like, yo, something needs to go on the outer part. Like, it's just missing something, and that perfect chef's kiss. So y'all, I hope that y'all enjoyed this look. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, I know y'all do, that's why y'all click the video, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to a tutorial. And this tutorial is testing out my Bfiercebeauty products. These are the products that we'll be launching, but I don't have the actual product in my hand. These are actually just testers. Now for the brows, I did go ahead and take my P. Louise Bountiful pomade and also my pen that I got from the TikTok shop. If y'all go on my TikTok, Briana Marie, y'all see the pen because it's a video that is actually showing you how to use it. I did go ahead and take my L'Oreal concealers in those shades right there that I just showed y'all. I don't know if y'all see the shades, but definitely check or ask in the comment section below. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the lightest one towards the back. That is for the brow bone arch. I love a highlighted brow bone arch. And then for the top and the front of the brows, I went ahead and used the darker concealer. And that is going to basically act as the color of my skin, but it's technically a little lighter, but y'all get the gist. I am also using my 252S MAC brush. Y'all know I don't play with that brush. That brush is bomb, and I use it for my cut crease. If y'all have not tried the Bfiercebeauty base, this is icing on the base. Y'all are not with the times, okay? Because that base is everything, and it's sold out. So yeah, I'll let y'all know when they restock. However, I'm going into my new palette, y'all. I'm thinking about naming this palette Soft Girl Era. I don't really know. Oh no, it's my Soft Girl Era. I think that's what it's called. Don't get me wrong. But I use 2 shades for the transition. This is the darker shade, and then I use this like reddish brown brick shade, and I put that right on top. But we just want to take the time to look at how it is blending into each other. It's not patchy. It's not falling off. Like the eyeshadow is super patchy. You know, sometimes you get that patchy eyeshadow and it just start falling off. It's not a fallout like that, and it just blends effortlessly, and the color is there. When I tell you, my new palette is going to, I feel like it's going to be that girl, because a lot of people are not in the times to do color anymore, but y'all need to get into the color because the color is good as well. But the browns act as transitions too for that pop of color. So the people who do have the Dazzle Tints palette, y'all can use this palette strictly for your transition shade, and then go on the Dazzle Tints palette and add a color, a pop of color or a shimmer. Y'all, let me know also if y'all want me to come back out with the Dazzle Things palette. I was just going to keep it to the ones who already have it and let them be special to the ones who already got that palette. But I don't know. Maybe I should come out with it again. This color I put on my lid is from that palette as well. Not the Dazzle Things, but the new palette that's coming out. And I just went ahead and opened my lid up some more with my Bfiercebeauty base. And I put that light color, that light nude, as I might say, on the lid. And then now I'm just basically closing the outer edges with the first transition color, and I am going to blend in the inner corners, so at the crease area. Y'all, when I say testing products can be iffy, but the products that I be getting, like, they be it. Like, this product is everything. Like, cause like, look at the effortless blend. Like, I don't even have to work hard to blend these shadows together. And then I went ahead and also used black. There is my Dazzle Tints palette. That's not the palette that I'm using, but this is like a colorful palette. I wanted to come out with a colorful palette first because that's just me. It speaks me. It says me. I am color. Okay. And also I love doing cut creases. Now I did go ahead and put a white gold color in the inner corner, and now I'm just taking these Shein balls that I got, well, obviously from Shein, and I am putting them in the crease area, kind of acting as a cut crease. I wanted to do something like that, but I didn't want to do an actual cut crease. But I did want to play with these gold balls, and the little design came out perfect. Okay, I was thinking about doing more with it, but I didn't even get my contact yet, so I'm just waiting on my contact so I can see a little bit more. As you can see, I'm using my phone during the process. I did go ahead and take my NYX pointed liner in black, and then I also added 2 little more balls, gold balls, by the liner. I also used my hot glue gun and created some designs and put gold pigment on top, and I got this from Beats by Deb, y'all, and I just went ahead and added some lashes. I'm going to be talking during this tutorial, so I'll see y'all during the tutorial. Y'all, when I say this look 8, this look 8, my palette served. Did y'all see the blend? Do y'all see the blend now? Yes, it's from my palette, y'all. I can't wait to come out with it. Okay, I was thinking about doing a support GoFundMe, like, for my business, but I don't know. The quicker I get the funds to do it, the quicker the palettes will release, but it just takes time, y'all. But I'm just in the process of testing it right now. I say I picked some bomb colors for this new palette. I picked some bomb colors. Like, this is like my third, is my third look? It's either my third or fourth look with this palette, y'all. I'm in love. Okay, let's just do the face right now. And then also too, the gold in the inner corner is from my first palette, Dazzle Teens. I know y'all see me throw it up. Let's get to this face. I'm going to do the concealer method. It is 12 o'clock. Okay, and I'm almost done. What? 12 o'clock. I'm almost done. I don't have no more of this. This is the Trula Hydration Skin. I like it. So I'm going to use my one size. Also going to use the one size Secure the Sweat on my T-zone area. And Beats by Deb showed us how to do that method with the hot glue gun and put the shimmer on top of it. Baby, do you know that this is my first time doing that, and baby, it just eats? Are y'all not seeing it? Connecting it to the beads? Like, what? Some of the stuff I feel like I could do if I just take my time and just do it. Y'all know I can do it, but this just eats it really down bad. I want to cover my eyes and put the Milk Hydro Grip spray on. So for concealers, I want to be playing with the Born This Way collection from Too Faced. I'm going to go in with Sable first. Yeah, that's my contour. Trust the process. Trust the process. This is something new. Y'all ain't seen it. Yeah, I'm going back in and see. Foundation. Now for foundation, as you can see, I gotta go in this area. You don't have to use as much concealer, okay? I just OD. You don't have to OD. I want to use the Maybelline 30 Hour. Wait, hold on. I couldn't find the other one, so I'm just gonna stick with Too Faced brand for my whole face. I'm gonna use the Born This Way 24 Hour Undetectable Super Long Wear Foundation in the shade Tiramisu and Spice Rum. It's the concealer method. You see how everything flow into each other. I see how everything came together. Just this. Now I'm about to do my nose. And I want to use butterscotch down the bridge of my nose. I'm supposed to say something a bit softer because Sable is a little bit too light. It's there, okay. Just use the ones I always use. This one is low-key dark too. So to set everything, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more concealer and then take my beauty blender and we're going to blend everything out. I want to get my little ones here and I'm going to set the rest of the concealer areas. Like, I don't know, I think I'm gonna forever do the concealer method. It's my favorite, okay? So I'm gonna use the Morphe times Avena Greg. Oh, this one right here. I'm gonna bronze with this. I'm going in with this one to bronze with. Now it's time for the under eye. So for under eye, I want to do green. We're gonna do a pop of green under the eye. I was gonna do just black, but no, something needs to pop. This needs to pop. Let's do Limelight from P. Louise, y'all, and I still have the same code as B Marie 10. Green, sickening. We're gonna do something But we're gonna go back inside our Shop Girl Era palette. I'll take this tiny brush I got from Shein, and I'm gonna drag. I want this color in the palette that's underneath. So I use this color right here underneath. I'm gonna add my blush, and then we're gonna get right into lips, okay? And for blushes, it's going to be these two, Volume 1, Volume 6, and where the brush is. So basically the dark orange and the light orange. Okay, so as far as lip liners go, I'm going to use my lip liner and my lip for my line to create this look. I'm gonna go in with the second to darkest shade in my line. Now, I obviously can't show y'all it. I can just basically let y'all know. Let y'all kind of like see it. It's not gonna be these colors. It's just testers. You see that? And that. Hey, what's the color sand? I even have a darker brown than the first line that I put on. I even have a darker one than this one. I am going to add clear gloss, and my gloss, we have some of these glosses left. This is Material Things, so go ahead and shop. So the thing about this gloss is it has gold shimmers in it. So I'm gonna put my clear gloss on. Neck. I got a clear gloss, but I have one more left. And I'm just waiting for somebody to get it. Yeah, just enough said, y'all. Go shop my line, okay? Whatever I have left, go shop it. Go shop it, go shop it. I'm about to go wipe all of this powder off. MAC Deep Dark. Highlight down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to take Gold Deposit. Alright, y'all. So this is the look. I'm going to go ahead and change, wash my hands, do all that good stuff, put some earrings on, and I'm going to come right back. But y'all, this is the look. Look at that. I snapped on this like, oh, they're not going to play. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And also, let me know down below if y'all messing with the blend quality in this video. And also, too, let me know if y'all want more videos of me testing my upcoming products out so that y'all can see it live, raw, and what I like, what I don't like. Let me know down in the comment section below. And until then, y'all, I'm going to see you down on my next tutorial. Bye, y'all.